Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Hope all are well. Today we will know how to create a Google AdSense account. Yes viewers, today we will know how to create a Google AdSense account. Number 1. Sign up for AdSense. Go to Google AdSense place and click sign up now. Create an account. Google AdSense page. Complete AdSense application form. Next, fill up the form your information. Enter website URL that you want to show ads on. Do not add HTTPS in front of your URL. For example, www.yoursitename.com and email address. Choose whether you want to receive any AdSense link to add your email address. Then click save and continue to proceed. Google AdSense account opening. Activate your AdSense account. On the next page, you will receive instructions that will enable you to connect your website to AdSense. AdSense will provide you with a snippet of code that you need to add to your site within the head, head and section. They will also give you a specific instructions on how to do so. When you have your site, once you have inserted the code on your site, click the submit button. Site connection. Now your website is ready for the Google AdSense team to review. Be sure to keep the snippet of code live on your site until AdSense responds. Sometimes it takes a few days or up to weeks for the AdSense team to get back to you. I got approved in 2 days here on my site or my YouTube channel. Wait while the AdSense team review your application. You will receive a confirmation email once it's approved. If you receive this email, then I officially welcome you to world of money making. Approve approve AdSense account. AdSense will automatically mail you a pin to your physical address once your earning reaches $10. I'll talk about verifying identity on my next Google AdSense article. Keep visiting my YouTube channel. How to log into Google AdSense account once your account is approved and you can start generating money with ads. It's a great feeling. People struggle to find the Google AdSense login page. It's really simple. Just go to the same URL you visited to register an account. www.google.com/AdSense. Now, instead of clicking the get started button, click sign in. So there you have it. By now you should know how to create an AdSense account and get your account approved. Do you have any problem or questions following this tutorial to get your account with AdSense? Feel free to comment below. If you do not have a site or YouTube channel, for this step-by-step guide and launch your own self-hosted YouTube channel in less than 15 minutes. I will show you everything you need to do to start a successful money making YouTube channel or AdSense account. So viewers, we have already know how to create a Google AdSense account. Yes viewers, I have already test you how to create a Google AdSense account. Yes viewers, I have already test you how to create a Google AdSense account. I think all are understand very well. Inshallah we will be meeting again in another video. Thanks for watching my video and take care of my lovely viewers. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.